I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is ready. Check iOS version and free storage, because Appstore can fail with low space or outdated OS. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm two-factor authentication. This avoids account blocks later. Restart the phone to clear transient errors and reconnect to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Sometimes switching bands resolves DNS issues. Once done, try opening Settings App Store to see if basic account and network hooks are already functioning. Next, focus on recovery steps that remove common blockers. Reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles and set DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS issues. This often restores App Store connectivity. Sign out of your Apple ID, wait a minute, then sign back in and toggle App Store-related switches in settings to force reauthentication. Make sure date and time are set to automatic, because mismatched time can break certificates. Finally, reboot to apply changes and test App Store behavior. Finish by applying deeper remedies if the App Store still won't appear. Check Apple system status to rule out outages, and if local fixes fail, update or reinstall iOS via Finder or Recovery Mode. This replaces corrupted system files. If problems persist, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support for guided troubleshooting. As a last resort, perform a factory reset after backing up. Then test the App Store on the fresh system before restoring your backup so you know the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.